10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
สำหรับ 3D sensor นะครับก็จะเป็นdial gauge นะครับที่วัดได้ในแกน x y z นะครับมีความละเอียดสูงถึง 0.01 มิลลิเมตรเลยนะครับแล้วก็ไม่ต้องคาลิเบรตซ้ำนะครับส่วนในรูปที่เห็นนะครับก็จะเป็น 3D sensor แบบที่หน้าจอแสดงผลจะเป็นแบบดิจิตอลนะครับซึ่งรูปที่เราเห็นเมื่อกี้จะเป็นแบบเข็มธรรมดานะครับต่อไปก็จะเป็นการอธิบายการทำงานของ 3D sensor นะครับ
We make precision measurable. Our compact 3D sensors are considered to be the best in the world. They are practical, user-friendly, and extremely precise.
An essential aid for all milling machines is the 3D sensor. It is clamped into a milling spindle. With it, the spindle axis can be adjusted according to the edges of the workpiece. The machine's measuring system can now be directly adjusted to 0. No calculating, no mathematical sign errors. In order to measure the length of a workpiece, the other side is approached in the same way. The 3D sensor works in all directions, even on the Z-axis. In addition to measuring length and height, you can also check surface areas and adjust vices. Run the probe along the surface. The gauge shows you whether the machine axis and the surfaces are correctly adjusted. The probe approaches the edge sought. The large gauge displays how much farther the probe needs to travel. When the gauge shows 0, the spindle axis is positioned exactly on the workpiece edge. Finished. The workpiece is 100.195 millimeters long. How do you find the center of a bore or shaft? It's simple, with the Centro. The spindle is positioned approximately at the center of the borehole. The probe tip dips into the bore. It is positioned such that the probe touches the wall of the borehole. The housing of the Centro can be rotated. With the antenna, the gauge can be fastened in any desired position. As long as the gauge needles are in motion, the spindle axis has not yet arrived at the center of the bore. The position of the spindle is corrected until the gauge needles have come to a standstill. The precise bore center has been found to a micrometer.
By X, by Y, and by Z axis. In order to use this, you're going to put to the tool holder, and then you're going to place the spindle.
What between analog and digital?
More precision is the digital, and then the analog is compared to this, it's more precision. Sometimes it's more convenient to get the exact difference. But for other operator, they prefer the analog because it's especially for the flatness. You can easily see the difference on the flatness. Are you already using the 3D sensor?
About that 3D graphic can go around object.
This one is to locate the middle of the zero or a rotating part. Actually, this is rotating this portion. When if there's a circle, you are going to place this on the side. You can see the roundness. And given the roundness, you will find the center. And the advantage of this is replaceable, the peak gauge.
You tell me about how much for 3D?
For the Thai market, let's wait. It's this one. This is just a promotion. Special promotion. 165 euro.
How different of the 3D and dial gauge?
It's more convenient because you don't need, for example, you measure the X for the dial gauge, you're going to turn it again to use for Y. Is that the advantage that you can use it directly X, Y, and Z. And Z.
Easy to use, right?
Yeah. And also the peak gauge is replaceable compared to dial gauge. When it's broken, the whole set will be changed. But this is replaceable. And this is the a plastic material. It is designed that when you hit too much, it will break to protect the device.
What kind of plastic?
I don't know, but exactly what. But this is a hard plastic.